Bakes 1/6 Mickey Mouse character waffle. Illuminated Mickey power light. Non-stick cooking plates. Non-skid rubber feet. 800 watts, 1-year warranty. Start your day off with a smile with this fun Mickey Mouse Waffle Maker. Bake a large golden brown Mickey-shaped waffle, 6 approximate diameter, in just minutes. Everything about this product will make you grin, right down to the easy clean non-stick coated cooking surface. Bakes 1/6 Mickey Mouse character waffle. Illuminated Mickey power light. Non-stick cooking plates. Non-skid rubber feet. 800 watts. Top reviews from the United States. Mickey Mouse Waffle Maker. Megan from Maryland. This is another one of my favorites in the Mickey Mouse Kitchen collection, the Mickey Mouse Toaster. It looks exactly like its picture. It's fun, it's functional, easy to use and easy clean up, and it's great for small spaces. If you love Mickey Mouse cooking waffles, then this is the product for you. I give it 5 stars, 2 thumbs up. It is awesome. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. I thought making waffles was going to be a mess and be hard, and this was super easy. It even comes with a little cookbook with a couple recipes on different waffles to make, and the box is a collector's item too. You don't even have to use any cooking spray on. It's non-stick, and when you make the waffles it's super easy. You just got to buy the waffle mix, make the waffles real quick. You can even make it on a busy morning when you have to go to school or work. It's super easy, and the cleanup is super easy. You just wipe it off and put it away when you're done, and the waffles only take a minute to cook and they come out perfectly. It's actually like the picture. You can see every detail. I guarantee you're going to love it. And if you don't love Mickey Mouse, there is other ones to choose from that do the same thing, that are awesome, fun and functional for a small space. I've recommended and I would buy it again. It's worth every penny.